Would you agree that knowing who made something can add value to the thing that's been made? For example, let's say you found a picture that I had painted, and then you found a picture that Leonardo da Vinci had painted. Which painting would be more valuable to you? You don't have to answer that out loud. We all know the answer to that question. Or what if a stranger made you something, and then your child made you something? Which something would mean more to you? Your child's creation would be the clear winner, even if you don't know exactly what it is they've made. Yes, knowing who made something can add value to the thing that has been made, which is why we want our preschoolers to know that God made everything, because knowing God made everything makes everything very good. And since God made so many good things, we decided we're gonna stack it up this month. All of it, from day 1 all the way through day 7, which means we need to get ready for a whole lot of stacking. Week 1, we'll begin by stacking that God made the light and the dark on day 1 and the sky above water on day 2. We want preschoolers to see God's goodness every time they look up in the sky, because now they'll know who made it. It's not just the sky, it's the sky God made, and it is good. Week 2 will stack that God made the land, plants, and seas on day 3, and the sun, moon, and stars on day 4. We want to help preschoolers see God's goodness every time they look out over the vastness of an ocean, try to count the stars, or bite into their favorite fruit, because now they'll know who made it. It's not just an ocean or stars or a strawberry. It's the ocean, stars, and strawberry that God made, and it is good. Week 3 will stack that God made all of the sea animals and birds on day 5. We want to help preschoolers see God's goodness when they hear the bark of a sea lion, see a colorful fish, or find a bird's nest filled with eggs, because now they'll know who made it. It's not just a sea lion or fish or a bird. It's a sea lion, fish, and bird that God made, and it is good. Week 4 will stack that God made all of the land animals and people on day 6, and then God rested from his work on day 7. We want to help preschoolers see God's goodness when they see a tall giraffe or hold a new puppy, and especially when they look at themselves and other people, because now they know who made it, who made them. It's not just a giraffe, puppy, or person. It's a giraffe, puppy, and person that God made, and it is good. Knowing that God made everything will hopefully inspire our little ones, as well as us big ones, to follow God's example and stop what we're doing. Look at everything God made and know that it is good. Very good. This isn't just the world, it's the world God made. And knowing who made it makes it way more valuable.